Hey there, welcome back to the channel. So happy to have you here. Alright, let's dive right in. Today we're featuring the Crayon Shinchan Kasukabe Dynamic Bus Series 3D Keycap Blind Box Cute Anime Figure Mechanical Keyboard Keycaps Set Gifts WASD Escape. Now I want to start by asking you a question. Have you ever felt like every product you buy online is either overpriced or just plain low quality? I think we've all experienced that at some point, and it really makes you lose trust in online shopping. But here's where things get interesting. The Crayon Shinchan Kasukabe Dynamic Bus Series 3D Keycap Blind Box Cute Anime Figure Mechanical Keyboard Keycaps Set Gifts WASD Escape completely changes the game. This is a product that actually delivers real value. From the build quality to the performance, everything about it screams premium. And the best part is, you don't have to break the bank to get it. There's a special promotional discount right now, bringing the price down to just US $20.85. That's an absolute steal for what you're getting. The customer reviews are incredible too. We're talking top ratings from thousands of verified buyers. And this isn't just popular in one country. It's been sold and shipped to customers all around the globe, from North America to Southeast Asia, Europe, and many more regions. Ready to get yours? Click the link in the description below to order now and take advantage of this limited offer. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, leave your thoughts in the comments, and hit subscribe. Until next time, take care.